Have you ever spent months creating a garden you absolutely love, only for the sun to go down and everything disappears? That's exactly how I feel about this pathway. During the day, it's one of my favorite parts of the backyard, but at night, all the flowers, containers, and little details fade into the darkness. So today, we're adding what I hope is the missing piece. These XMCOSY solar pathway lights. Let's see if a little light can completely transform the feeling of this space. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If you're new here, welcome to the everyday life of an OCD-ish chick. Around here, we're proving that you don't need a huge yard to create something beautiful. We're transforming this backyard one project at a time. And today we're adding something I've been looking forward to for a while. Let's get started. A huge thanks to XMCOSY for sending me these solar garden lights. Let's take a look at what's inside. Glass shade, stainless steel pole, light head. One thing I noticed right away is the aluminum ground spike. If you've ever installed lights with plastic stakes, especially in hard summer soil, you know they can bend or snap. This aluminum spike feels so much more durable. For me, this is the easiest way to do it. First, install the aluminum ground stake. Next, slide on the stainless steel pole. And lastly, the light head. That's it. Super easy, nothing complicated. One quick tip: if your soil is extremely dry, use a hammer to help pound the spike securely into the ground. Also, I recommend stepping back every few lights to make sure your spacing looks even before finishing the entire pathway. One of my favorite parts about solar lights is the anticipation. You install everything, then you wait for the sun to go down, wondering if it's going to look as good as you imagined. Let's find out. Now this. This is exactly what I was hoping for. The lighting is soft, it's warm, it doesn't overpower the garden. Instead, it invites you into it. I love the patterns the lights create across the pathway. The sitting area feels more relaxing, and the entire backyard feels welcoming after sunset. It's amazing how something as simple as adding light completely changes the atmosphere. Sometimes transformation isn't about adding another flower or another raised bed. Sometimes it's simply making the things you've already created shine. If you've been following this backyard journey, you already know we've been taking it one project at a time. The fence, planting, now these XMCOSY solar pathway lights have completely changed how this space feels in the evening. Thank you to XMCOSY for sending these lights to me to try. They've truly added exactly the cozy touch I was hoping for. If you enjoyed today's backyard transformation, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and join ELOC Nation because we're just getting started. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.